Hey, what's up? Friedrich here with another quick tip for Blender Grease Pencil, the color picker. Let's have a look. So first of all, how do you color pick in Blender Grease Pencil? So you have this wonderful scene and you want to color pick a certain color to reuse it somewhere else. Let's say on this ball. Either you hover over the vertex color here and press E and then pick whatever color you want. Or you open the N menu with N and then go to Tool, to your color here, and then press E on top of those. Notice how if I press E anywhere else in the scene, that doesn't work. So it needs to be specifically over the vertex color or the colors here in the N menu. But then you may have noticed how these colors, they are not exactly the same. That is because of some settings in Blender. So second, how do you fix the color issue with the color picker? For that, in this menu under the render settings, you choose color management, sRGB, view, standard, and the medium contrast exposure like this, and you keep the other settings. And then with your grease pencil selected, you go under this orange one, and under visibility you opt to not use the lights. And then when you color pick, pressing E on the vertex color, and this should then be the same color, whereas you see the color before is slightly off. That's it, my super quick tip for the color picking in Blender Grease Pencil. If you want to learn more about Blender coloring, have a look at the video coming somewhere here, and see you, bye bye.